Tanga ka mula. Dalam pungai lo mo.
Pick up
Van nei thak takin
trash can.
thiam zara. Apona ka ba mu chu kolong
Jangan
mai.
ada
Thil hi ral khat video mule ataka mu hin thau. Khopa
Electric
no thia
hammer.
pui vedon ne.
Wow.
You like it?
I love it. So, have they sold it yet, or is your engineer you're requesting?
I'm just a driver, but
Oh,
these would come out in 22.
oh, nice. Yeah, I have only seen YouTube and stuff.
Yeah,
So you're test driving
yeah.
that. It would be very nice to have your job.
Oh.
Hey, chắc ai ang ina ang So how many miles an hour can you charge right now?
You mean how far can you go on a charge?
No, how fast is it charging?
Oh,
150?
there's a rate on there. It goes by
Oh.
kilowatts.
Yeah.
Yeah, it charges like by.
Charging cost 94 right now.
Yeah, it's going about
Oh.
157 kilowatts.
Oh, it's the
That's
what you
the
got,
amount
yep.
that it delivered.
Ah.
And this is the time it's been charging so far.
Gotcha.
And that's how much it cost so far.
Yeah, for 94, right? For 94 kilowatt is gonna be 40, 95 kilowatt. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Oh, this one will go up to 315. Nice.
Yeah, this one's a 150 and that one's a 350 or 150. But see, they never go this fast though.
Yeah. So when you're after like more than half, it's
Yeah.
kind of slowing down.
Yeah, once
Yeah.
it gets up to about here, it starts slowing down.
Yeah.
They go down to like 23 kilowatts.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
you have Tesla, right?
Yeah. I love it, but
Uh-huh.
there's something that I wish I got, kind of like,
What's that?
the wheel. I like off-roady stuff,
Uh-huh.
and I have 3 kids, so it's the only car that I could have before the Model Y. So,
Uh-huh. Yeah.
but if they have something like this, I'm more
you want
rugged. Yeah.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah.
Yeah. So as of now, it's my only choice. Yeah. And it's kind of very bumpy.
Oh, okay. How long does it take to charge it?
That one about 45 to get to 80%. It's the 2016 model.
Okay.
So I think the newer one is like 15 to 20.
How long to charge?
Yeah. Do you mind if I text?
Oh, go ahead. Take it
Okay.
down.
You don't really see every
Yeah.
day, so
Yeah, that's true.
he a test drive tourเนี่ยอันไหนนำเมล
There.
With a revolutionary new setting called Crab Walk, Hummer EV has the ability to drive diagonally for an agility no other truck can match.
So 0 to 60 are like this
Oh,
one.
this thing's fast. It's got 1,000 horsepower. Yeah, so.
I don't know why they didn't do it sooner. You know?
Well,
Maybe they are saving.
yeah.
I cannot really look under that car
Oh, okay.
because
It's slow, yeah.
so he electric motor he beli he yeah he patumi so 2 more or 3
Well, there's actually 4 batteries.
I mean the motor electric motor
Oh, there's 3. Yeah.
2 on the back and
2 in back,
1 on the front.
From what I understand.
Yeah. Can I see the front?
Well, I'm not supposed to.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
It's just a trunk. It holds
Yeah.
the teacups.
Oh. Yeah. Oh, I forgot. You can open the tab
The
too.
tops comes up. Yeah.
I was. This is the coolest Hummer yet.
Yeah. Oh, it's got everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, these
Yeah.
things come off right here.
Yeah.
Back window goes down.
They need to bring back the avalanche.
I don't know.
They should.
Yeah. Yeah.
I love that feature.
Yeah.
So how long you been here? I mean, how long does it take to charge?
Oh, well.
To 80%?
Yeah, it's good. Probably take over an hour.
Oh,
I say I've been here 30 minutes.
30
already.
minutes. Okay.
So usually it tells you right here how long it takes to get up to 80.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, I'll probably
Charging
another half
costs.
hour.
Yeah. They need to have something on the road that will charge it wirelessly while you drive.
Yeah, I heard
Yeah.
about that. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Might cost quite a bit.
I know, right? Wow. Okay, thank you.
And full underbody armor and rock sliders help make Hummer EV ready to conquer even the toughest terrains. It's innovation engineered to ensure domination. But Hummer EV is much more than an off-road beast. From the distinctive signature of its 6-bar grille to its micro-optic welcome, walkaway, and battery charging animations, every aspect of the Hummer EV has been designed to look and act unlike anything out there.